Hello friends, after a long break, today I have come with a new video, how to set limit in our ATM cards. Dear friends, nowadays very often we get the news about the internet fraud, the ATM's fraud in social media, in television, newspapers. But we can restrict the usage of our ATM cards. So first let me tell you in how many ways we can restrict the use of our ATM cards. So first we can define our own daily withdrawal limit from ATMs. So whatever limits, maximum limit bank provides us, we can reduce, we can customize according to our own convenience. Next, we can define limit for POS, point of sale, that is the swipe machines which are available in shops, petrol pumps, restaurant, etc. And very often we use it. Okay. Then number three, we can define CNP, card not present limit, that is online shopping, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Where card is not required physically, so that usage also we can restrict. And number four, we can also restrict the international use of our ATM cards. Apart from this, some other ways are there by which we can restrict the use of our ATM cards. But I think these are very important. Now I'll show you practically how to define or how to set limit in our ATM cards online. I'll show you with my own account. So please look at this one. So for it we have to log in our net banking. So just we'll put our user ID and password, and after second authentications we'll get this window. So here we have to go to e-services. We'll click in the e-services. E-services. Okay. So once we click in the e-services, the first one you see ATM card service. We'll click on ATM card services. So we'll get this window. Okay. So now we'll click on ATM card limit usage. We'll click on ATM card limit usage. Then we'll continue. We'll continue. So now the active ATM card will be shown here. We have to select. We have to select. Suppose daily withdrawal limit. So now suppose I want to change the daily withdrawal limit, say ATM limit. I'll click on ATM limit. So I'll submit. Okay. So once I submit, you see my current limit is 40,000 and maximum allowed limit is also 40,000. So anyway, I have kept it 40,000 for my requirement. You can change it in multiples of 5,000. You can make it 5,000, 10,000. So just you put the amount as per your requirement and click on submit. So I'm not going to change right now because that is fine for me. Okay. Now suppose uh, we want to make some other changes. So again we have to select, then change daily limit. Suppose now for POS or CNP, we want to change. As I told you, POS means point of sale swipe machine, CNP means online shoppings. Now see, bank has given me a 75,000 limit, but I have kept only 10,000. Only 10,000 I have kept it. You can keep it even 5,000, multiples of 5,000. So even if your card is lost, maximum 10,000 can be withdrawn by shoppings. So this is very good way how to restrict, the usage of the ATM cards. Okay. Apart from this, you see, apart from this, we can also restrict. We can also restrict. You see, the channel type. Channel type means suppose channel type. So in channel type, say now I'll click on submit. So channel type, you see, these are the channels will come: ATM channel, POS channels, CNP channels. So ATM channels, if you suppose I'll show you now, so enable. So if you disable it, now from ATM we cannot withdraw. Similarly, suppose POS, it is now enabled. If you disable, no, swipe machines. You cannot use for swipe machines. Similarly, CNP, online purchase, if you disable it, you can't do it. Okay. So if you want to make it zero, then also you can do it. Otherwise, you can put in a restricted way by some limit. Suppose you want to restrict the online international use of your ATM card. Okay. So that also you can do. So how? By channel usage type. By channel usage type. By channel usage type. So suppose domestic use. Suppose domestic use, you see it is enabled. Okay, now I can disable also. Right now it is enabled. I can make it disabled. So international use, you see now it is disabled. I can enable it. So I have kept it disabled. Let it be. So I am sure with these informations you can restrict the use of your ATM cards, and we can prevent ourselves from any kind of fraud. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.